If you want immediate relief on your lower back pain caused by muscle stiffness or staying in one place like sitting for long hours, driving for long hours, then this video is for you. Check the description for the do's and don'ts of when you are stretching. Alright, we're going to lie down to start off the first stretch. So try and keep your back flat, feet on the floor, and your knees should be bent. We're going to start off with a simple stretch where you bring both your knees to your chest and hug it. So the idea of this stretch is you're trying to bring the knees to your chest as much as possible. If your lower back or your hip comes off the floor like this, that's perfectly fine. Just hold on to this specific stretch for a good 5 to 10 seconds. If you can hold it for longer, that would be great. There's no issue. Just move into it very slowly. All right, as we're in this position, we're going to slowly straighten up this left leg. Keep trying to hug your right knee as much as possible. So we're going to try and keep this as straight as you physically can. Each one's range of motion and ability to stretch is going to be different. That's perfectly fine. Just do as much as you can. We're going to take the right hand, place it next to your body, palms flat on the floor. Bring this right knee up, perfect 90 degrees as you can see. You don't really have to point your toes, but if you could, that's great. But keeping it straight is perfectly fine. So we're going to take this left hand, placing it on the outer side of the right knee. We're going to push this knee across. So as you're pushing this knee across, your right glute or bum muscles are going to come off the ground. That's perfectly fine. Just keep pushing it as much as you can. Remember, if your maximum range of motion is up here, that's fine. But if you can drop it all the way down towards the floor, that will be great. So you drop it as low as you can. This right shoulder will tend to come up. Make sure you push this right shoulder as low as possible to get a deep stretch on your mid back. We're going to hold it here for a good 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. We're going to repeat the exact same thing on the opposite side. We're going to start off by hugging both knees. We're going to extend the right leg, keep it straight, left leg is still bent. The left hand is going to be placed flat on the floor, either parallel to your shoulder or even closer to your body, whichever is fine. Bring the left knee 90 degrees, right hand to the outer side of your left knee, pushing the knee across the body. This bum may come off the ground, that's perfectly fine. As you push it down, you're going to feel this left shoulder wanting to come off the ground, but you're going to make sure you physically push it down as your right knee goes down. So you're going to push down, hold it there for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Now we're going to slowly come up. So we're going to sit in this position. We're not going to slouch and round our backs. We're going to have a good, strong, tall position. If you're finding it hard to hold it like that, place your hands behind your body. So then you'll get a little bit of support. Next, you're going to simply take your right leg. Left leg is going to be extended. You're going to take the right leg, place it on top of your left thigh, just above the right knee, and bring this close to your body. So the closer you bring it, the deeper the stretch you'll feel here. So slowly bring it in. Try not to slouch. Shoulders back, chin up, chest out. Push this right knee away from the body. Bring this left hand and push the left ankle towards the body. So some of y'all might find it hard to come all the way up. That's perfectly fine. Even if it's here, whichever your maximum range of motion is fine. Just try to push this knee out. You can use the right hand even to push it. Bring the left hand to push the ankle in. We want to feel a stretch on your hamstrings right about here and your glutes or the buttocks at the bottom. Holding it there for another 7, We try not to slouch, so back straight. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And drop. We're going to switch sides now. Take the left leg, drop it over the right thigh. Similar to earlier, slowly bring in this leg. You can hug in this ankle, push out this knee, hold it there for another 7, 6, chest out, shoulders back. Remember, you want to feel your hamstring and glute stretch. Whatever your maximum range of motion, hold it there. The ankle in, knee out, lower back straight so you're tall and strong. For another 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One last stretch. They're going to lie down. Once again, don't allow your back to be off the ground like this. Make sure it's flat so you can tuck your hips in to feel the flatness. Bring your left leg, drop the left ankle onto the right thigh. And as you create this figure 4, slowly start bringing the right leg off the ground, pushing both legs towards your body. So whatever your maximum range of motion is, you're going to pause there. And if you need a bit more of a stretch, you're going to take your right hand, pull in the left ankle. You're going to take your left hand and push out the left knee. If you can, bring in both legs as close as you can to the body. That's amazing. If you can't, that's also perfectly normal. Feel your hamstring and glutes stretch here, holding it there for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to switch sides. Drop both legs. Bring the right ankle above the left knee. Bring both legs or push the left leg off the ground, allowing both legs to come towards your chest. Feel the stretch on your hamstring and glutes. If you want a deeper stretch, use your right hand to push your right knee away from the body. Use your left hand to pull in and stretch your hamstring and your glutes on the right side. So we're going to hold it here for another 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Superb. So these are some quick stretches for you to try to get some immediate relief from your lower back. See you guys next week. Let me know what other videos you guys would like. Comment, like, and share this to support